Good evening, this is Tina. How are you doing today? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the sort. I think this gonna be very easy one for you, because sort we just to do the sorting on the result, either in descending order or either in ascending order, right? So here, let's go to our command. So let's do this one. Suppose for this one, now if I run this command, okay, if I run this command, the number of products, which is like this way, right? We can do a sort, okay? We can add a sort, which is from using the ascending order based on the number of products. What we can do is just before the bracket, we can do a sort. Sort is based on the number of products. It's better you can give double quotes on those. This one you have. This one is fine. Okay, here is fine. Okay, PRODS, number of products. Then you can give one. One is ascending, so it's gonna be Google, Apple, and if it's -1, it's gonna be Apple and Google. One is Google and Apple. Okay, if I using -1, if you are sort using descending order, it's gonna be 2 and 1. Okay, so I think this one should be easy for you. If you still have confusion, we can do, yes, let's do another example. db dot, I have a one called restaurants find dot limit 1. Okay. Oh, pretty. This I have another I have another collection called restaurant, and in the restaurant is gonna store document, which like this way. Okay, this is a document, entire document. Okay, and it's gonna have lots. Okay, let me try using dot count. It have around 4,000 documents, and the document structure is similar. Syntax is like this. Okay, let's take a look at what we have. Every document have object ID and have address, has a building, has a coordinates and a street zip code, and have district. Okay, has a cuisine and grades. Okay, like the grades, and have name and have restaurant ID. What I want to do is we want to show the how many restaurants in each district. Okay, I want to see how many restaurants in each district, which is grouped by this one. Okay, then list in which kind of order, like descending or ascending. How to do that? We're using db staurns dot aggregate. Okay, and then we will do group, have bracket, and then first we will do group. Okay, group, and then we will do based on ID is based on what? ID is based on the value of district, DRIST. Okay, and we're using $sign district. Okay, and ID, and also number of restaurants. Okay, yes, equals wrong. Equals sum, okay, of 1. Okay, so in this case he will give, okay, so we only have 1 2 3 4 5 district, right? Okay, and now this the number of restaurant has no order, right? Here doesn't have any order, so we can have an order using how you get it, comma, and we apply another stage, which is a sort. Okay, sort, and then we do 1 is ascending, okay. Sorry. Sort, we have to give which fields you want to do. Which fields will based on number of restaurants. Okay, so here, sorry for that. Okay, here we are using number of restaurants. Okay, then we do a descending or ascending. Okay, so here now this is ascending, right? Staten Island, Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan. Okay, and if you want to do ascending, you just using -1. Okay, like this. Okay, so that's it for this sort. I think it should be easy for you to understand. Okay, apply sort and apply which field you want to do the sorting. Okay, thank you for watching and see you. Bye bye.